23. Yes. Write it. What letter? Yes, M. 24. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. What letter? Yes, L. 25. Yes, write it. What letter? Yes, O with a breathe, short O. 26. Yes, write it. What letter? Yes, V. 27. Shh. Yes, shh. Write it. What letters? Digraph SH. 28. I. Yes, I. Write it. What letter? I with a macron, long I. Number 29. Yes. Write it. What letter? H. 30. E. Yes, E. Write it. What letter? Long E. E with a macron. 31. Yes. Write it. What letter? W. 32. Yes. As in fish. Write it. What letter? F. F. 33. Ooh. Yes. Ooh. Write it. What letter? Yes. R. 34. E. Yes. E. Write it. What letter? I with a breathe. It's short I. short I. 35. Yes, write it. What letter? Short U. U with a breathe. 36. Zzz. Yes. Zzz. Write it. What letter? Yes, Z. All right, leave the next one blank. We will come back to it after we have our lesson part. Turn over, and we are now going to spell some review words. Put your finger on number 1. All right, we are going to spell the word fish. Fish. I like my fish that are in our house. Fish. Tell me the sounds you hear in fish. Get ready. Ish. One more time. Ish. Spell fish on number 1. Okay, let's check your work. Fish. Spell it with me. F-I-S-H. What word? Fish. Yes, fish. Number 2. Let's spell the word path. We will walk down the dirt path. Tell me the sounds you hear in path. Get ready. Ah. One more time. Spell path on number 2. Path. All right, let's spell path. P-A-T-H. Path. Path. All right, number 3. Arm. Arm. I hurt my arm. Tell me the sounds you hear in arm. Get ready. R. One more time. R. Spell arm on number 3. Let's spell arm. A-R-M. What word? Arm. Now it's time for your sight words. Funny words. Let's see if you can remember how to spell these. Number 4. Was. Was. She was in my class last year. Was. Spell was on number 4. Let's check your work. Was, spell it with me. W-A-S, was. Number 5. Spell the word where. It's an asking word. Where are you going? Where? Spell where on number 5. Where? 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 Let's check your work. W-H-E-R-E. Where? What word? Where? Check your work. You need to erase, do that, and make sure it's right. And the last word we're going to spell, funny word, number 6 is you. You are so smart. You. Spell you on number 6. You. Let's check your work. Y-O-U. What word? You. Yes, you. All right, when you're ready for the next part, your pencil is down, ears are listening, eyes are watching. Okay, you're going to echo these words and listen to the sound in the medial position. Medial means the middle. All right, listen. Torn, sort, pork. One more time. Torn, sort, pork. What sound do you hear in the medial position? Yes, we hear or. All right, now let's look at these words and see if we can figure out what's making the or sound. Torn, sort, pork. Boys and girls, what's making the or sound? Yes, O-R. Orn, ort, ork. We hear or made by O-R. O-R is another combination with bossy R. All right, how do we code combinations? Yes, we code them with an arc. So let me get to my coding page. All right, so let me code it. Combination O-R, orn, torn, ort, sort, ork. What word? Pork. We code it with an R. Alright, so our new pictures, new cards. Alright, boys and girls, when we see these letters, we will say combination O-R. What will you say? Yes, combination O-R. Now it's time for our keyword picture. Think about the or sound in the medial position. All right, this is an animal. It's a large animal. It has 4 legs, a mane, and a tail. It often lives on a farm or a ranch. Some cowboys ride it, but not Pecos Bill. Okay, what could it be? It says or in the medial position. It is a horse. Listen to it. Horse. It says or in there, right? My turn. Horse, combination O-R, or. Say it with me. Horse, combination O-R, or. Again, say it with me. Horse, combination O-R, or. Your turn. Horse, combination O-R, or. Okay. Your turn. Turn it back to the front. Number 37. Or. Yes, or. Write the letters that say or. All right, boys and girls, what says or? Yes, combination O-R on number 37. Combination O-R. When you're ready, you may turn your paper back. Let's use the or for combination O-R to spell some new words. Number 7. Let's spell north. North. We will travel north to see the snow. North. Tell me the sounds you hear in north. Get ready. Or. Th. Yes. Or. Th. Write it. All right, let's check your work. North. Spell it with me. N-O-R-T-H. What word? North. Yes, north. Number 8. Let's spell the word short. Short. I am a short person. Short. Tell me the sounds you hear. Get ready. Shh. Or. T. The sounds are sh. Or. T. Spell short on number 8. Let's check your work. Spell short with me. Get ready. S-H-O-R-T. What word? Short. Yes, short. Number 9. We are going to spell the word forgot. It is a 2-syllable word. Forgot. I forgot to do my homework. Forgot. Listen. Or. G. T. Again. Or. G. T. Stretch it out and spell it. Forgot. Forgot. let's check your work. Forgot. Spell it with me. F-O-R-G-O-T. Forgot. Here's where you would divide it. V-C-C-V pattern. Forgot. 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 If you spelled it right, give yourself a pat on the back. That one was tricky. Very good job. And at the bottom of your page, you can read those words to someone at home and spell them out loud. All right, you may turn to your practice worksheet 26. Eyes on the board just a second. We're going to do some review before we move on. Let's practice some review coding. Okay, so let's do some quick review. All right, how do we code digraphs? With an underline. All right, we've learned digraphs CH, SH, TH, and CK. How do we code combinations? We put an arc under them. So far we've learned combination AR, ER, IR, UR, OR, and QU. Lots of combinations. And let's think about our vowel rules. A vowel followed by a consonant is short, coded with a brief. A vowel that is not followed by anything is long, coded with a macron. And then we learned a VCCV pattern. Divide between your two consonants. The first vowel is, the first syllable is accented. All right, so let's do some quick review before we actually code on your worksheet today. So look at these three words. Let's see what we know to do as far as coding. Or look at the first one. We always look to see if we have a digraph or a combination first. So do we see any of those? All right, we have ER. Is it a digraph or a combination? It's a combination because it's not making one new sound. It's making a totally different sound. All right, next we look for the vowel. So we see O. But then I notice I have another vowel. And then I know that I have two syllables. So I have to look between it. And I have between it two consonants. So now I have a V, CCV pattern. That tells me to do what? Divide it here between the two consonants. My accent goes on the first one. Look at there, Miss Fires didn't even catch it. There's OR. You guys probably caught it before I did. All right, now, both of our vowels are coded. Do we need any other coding? Okay, back on the C. Now we can sound it out. Or, what word? Corner, like this is the corner of the shelf, meaning the edge, the corner. I bet you guys caught that ahead of me, didn't you? You guys better keep Miss Fire straight. She's having a rough time keeping up this morning. You guys keep your eagle eyes out watching me now. Make sure I'm not making any mistakes. All right, here we go. This next word. Do we have combination or digraph? We do. Is it a combination or is it a digraph? Digraph. TH. All right, now, let's look. We have a vowel. Do we have more than one vowel? No. So we can just worry about this one. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Code it with a breve. Now we can sound this word out. What word? Bath. I need to take my bath before I go to bed. Bath. All right, next word. Do we have a combination or a digraph? All right, we have UR. Is it a combination or a digraph? It's a combination. All right, that is my vowel, so I don't have any more. All right, do I need any other coding? Not on this one, so let's sound it out. Burst. What word? Burst. The balloon burst when it touched the rose bush. Burst. Okay, now let's go to your page where you're going to practice today. Don't forget combination OR says or. And it's showing us that it is accented. It is an accented sound. All right. So let's start with number 1. What do we need to code? All right, we have OR. Sound it out. Or, what word? Born. I was born in October. Born. Number 2. What do we need to code? OR again. All right, that's our vowel again. So now we can sound it out. Sort. Sort. I will sort my clothes so I can wash them. Sort. Number 3. What do I need to code? All right, we've got AR, which is a combination. There's one more thing we need to code. We need a K back on the C. There we go. Now let's sound it out. Art. Cart. What word? Cart. All right, a cart is something that you can push. Miss Bowers has a cart that she pushes all of her stuff home in. Or like a shopping cart. Do we see an example of a shopping cart or a type of cart? Right here. Cart. All right, number 4. All right, do you see a combination or digraph? All right, we have OR. This is or. All right, anything else? All right, let's find the vowel. All right, we have O and E, so we know we have a vowel pattern. So vowels, in between are 2 consonants. You've got R and N. So we have a V, C, C, V. Where do we divide? Right here between these 2. That's right. Between the R and the N, the 2 consonants. Now, our accent goes on the first syllable, but you see it's OR and it is accented, so we would put it there anyways. Because OR is accented. So we have OR already coded. So let's go to the second syllable. Vowel followed by consonant is short. Now we can decode it. Or, et, hornet. What word? Hornet. What is a hornet? Yeah, it's an insect that will do what? That can sting. Can sting. Hornet. We We don't want to come in contact with the hornets. All right, number 5. What do we need to code? All right, you are. Now let's sound it out. Blurt. Blurt. What word? Blurt. You shouldn't blurt out the answer. Blurt. And the next one, what should we code? All right, we've got digraph TH. And then we have OR. Combination OR. All right, now let's sound it out. Or, one more time. Orn. Thorn. What word? Thorn. There's that thorn I was talking about bursting our balloon earlier. Thorn. Thorn. Okay, time to read. Remember, take your time, boys and girls. Sound these words out, and if you're having trouble, code them. It's okay to code them. All right, the farmer plans to go far